Little Daisy, do you want a treat? Show them how you can dance. Little Daisy, oh yeah. Show them how you can sit so pretty. Oh yeah. Okay, there's your treat. There you go. Bye-bye. Can you stand up again? Ready? Can you, Owen, can you sit? Jordy, be quiet. Ready? Can you sit? Say, that beagle's distracting me. That beagle's distracting me. Can you sit pretty? Can you sit pretty? Do you want this? Do you want this? Can you sit? Oh, let's see. I'll take a shortcut. Okay, ready? Show them how you can balance. Can you balance? Can you balance? You ready? Want this? Want that? Come on. Come up here. No. Okay. You can have it anyway. There you go. Okay. Is that good? Is that good?